go over the structures. If you've already had the structures, then this will serve as a review. And then I'm going to talk about personalized questions and answers, which is what you will need to do today. And the personalized questions and answers are going to be in this video format, but they will also be linked in Schoology in a paper copy so that you can see it in a paper format as well. Okay, so the first structure that we need to add into our structures notebooks is el lobo. El lobo means the wolf. The next structure is an action word, a verb. Okay, we're going to learn both tenses, the present tense and the past tense. And in this case, it is the completed action, past tense. Okay, so the first part of this group here is come. Come means he or she eats. And comió means he or she ate. And like I said, that's completed action at one point in time. And the last two structures that we need to add to our structures notebooks are llora. Llora means he or she cries, and lloró means she or he cried. Okay? And lloró, he or she cried, is that completed action, so it happened at one point in time. Hay lobos donde vives. Okay, so hay lobos donde vives means, are there wolves where you live? Okay, and so you can answer sí, or you can answer no. Okay, if you want to say sí, then you would say something like this. Sí, hay lobos donde vivo. Or if you want to say no, you could say no. No hay lobos donde vivo. Okay? And I will tell you that vivo means I live. Okay? If I back this up, you can see here that vives means you live. Okay, so we're going to start seeing if there's an S on the verb, it's in the you form. Okay, and if there's an O on the ending of the verb without an accent, then it's the I form of the verb. Okay? All right, so that was question number 1. Pregunta número 1. Okay? Número 2. ¿Cómo es un lobo? All right? ¿Cómo es un lobo means literally, how is a wolf? Okay, in English, it sounds better to say, what is a wolf like? Okay? So, you've got a lot of options. Okay? Let me give you the setup. You might say something like this. Un lobo es grande. Okay? Which means a wolf is big. Or un lobo es pequeño. A wolf is small. Un lobo es enojado. A wolf is angry. Okay, or here's a new word. Un lobo es feroz. Okay, feroz means fierce. Okay, so you have many options. You could say something differently if you feel that you want to say something else. Okay? Okay, número 3. ¿Comes pizza? Which means, do you eat pizza? Okay. You can answer this yes or no, sí or no. Sí, como pizza. Yes, I eat pizza. Or no, no como pizza. No, I don't eat pizza. Número 4 is an open-ended question. So I would ask you, ¿qué comes? Okay, so ¿qué comes means what do you eat? Again, I see an S on that verb. Okay, so comes means you eat. Okay, or ¿qué comes? What do you eat? All right. So I'm going to give you the answer right here. You would say como, and then you can say whatever you want. Okay. You can say a brand name like Snickers or Reese's peanut butter cups. Okay, or you could be looking up some other Spanish words for foods. Okay. So in this case, I will say that those are papas fritas, okay, which will come up later on, okay? Número 5, okay? Here's my question. ¿Llora mucho tu hermano? Okay, or maybe you don't have a brother. Hermano is brother, so I would say ¿Llora mucho tu hermana? Which means, does your sister cry a lot? So the first one is llora mucho tu hermano. Does your brother cry a lot? Llora mucho tu hermana. Does your sister cry a lot? Okay? So you can simply say, sí, mi hermano llora mucho. Okay? Or maybe you're going to say, sí, mi hermana llora mucho. Or maybe you want to say no. No, mi hermano no llora mucho. Okay? Or no, mi hermana no llora mucho. Okay, and our last question, número 6. En tu familia, ¿quién llora mucho? Okay, so en tu familia means in your family. ¿Quién llora mucho? Okay, ¿quién? Looking at the question word wall, ¿quién means who? So who cries a lot? Okay, so the setup for that one, and you can be truthful in this or you can just simply make it up. It doesn't really matter. What matters is how you are using the structure. Okay, so you can say, en mi familia, Jake llora mucho. Okay, so those are the structures and a little bit of a video instruction on the PQAs. Again, those